to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Rustic Elegance and Farmhouse Charm. Today, we're delving into transformative living room projects that infuse your space with timeless rustic allure. Let's explore. Transform your living room instantly with these farmhouse-inspired printables, adding a touch of rustic charm to your walls. Embrace rustic homestay signs, perfect for infusing that sought-after farmhouse decor into your living space. Repurpose an old dresser into a beautiful distressed side table with wicker baskets, enhancing the rustic beauty of your room. Craft your own chunky farmhouse-style coffee table using simple building plans, bringing warmth to your living room decor. Explore the creation of a DIY farmhouse-style coffee table, a centerpiece that adds character to your living space. Consider building a budget-friendly console table, a stylish addition that won't break the bank. Craft floating shelves for your living room, a DIY project that adds both functionality and charm. Illuminate your space with an incredible metal light, instantly elevating the rustic ambience of your living room. Enhance your living room with farmhouse window trim, an effortless way to bring in rustic style. Craft wooden curtain rods to add a touch of rustic elegance to your windows. Create unique curtain rods for an industrial touch in your farmhouse-style decor. Consider an oversized industrial wall clock, an eye-catching element perfect for your living room. Create a DIY shiplap accent wall, a staple in rustic-inspired design. Embrace vintage style with a card catalog, an iconic piece that adds character to any space. Craft fall wooden beams for your ceiling, bringing warmth and charm to your living room. Add functionality with a wooden chalkboard family schedule, a rustic yet practical decor piece. Create a rustic entryway coat rack, a farmhouse-inspired addition for organization and style. Personalize your space with farmhouse signs, adding a touch of warmth and sentimentality. Explore the rustic charm of wood and metal shelving, perfect for displaying decor or organizing. Build a custom TV cabinet, a standout piece that completes the farmhouse-inspired living room. Thank you for exploring these farmhouse and rustic living room projects with us. Which project will you incorporate into your home? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more transformative DIY inspirations. Happy decorating!